Hi guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna give you tips and ideas on how to make a mermaid tail for dolls. So we will be using a pen or pencil, scissor, computer paper, fabric, and I'm gonna use a sewing machine. Well, feel free to use a hand stitch. So let's start. I'm gonna start by sketching my ideas for the tail, for the mermaid tail, and her head, and all over the tail. I'm not completely sure if this gonna have an exact shape together, so I'm just gonna fold it. I'm just gonna fold this in half. And I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, once you're done, well, I think it's not really close enough, so I'm just gonna trim it once again. Okay, after that, then we're just gonna put it in the fabric. Oh, it fits. Okay, you just have to make sure that it really fits in the fabric. And I'm going to sketch our idea for mermaid tail. While you were sketching it, don't forget to have a seam allowance so that you will not in a complete mess for the doll. And after that, we're going to cut this out.
Skies of a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back
For that,
to you.
I'm gonna sew the half, the top.
I would recognize, I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling to say
Yay, it's done. Okay, after that, I'm gonna place it into the doll. And I'm just gonna flip it over. Place it in the doll. Oops. And voila, you're done. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye!
I'm coming home.